G'day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, December 1. The Education Ministry says it has finalized arrangements to pay all outstanding salary arrears to teachers in Bursa-paid schools. The ministry says it provided $90.1 million to the 26 institutions last Friday. The payment is part of the last tranche of approximately $500 million in salary arrears from the 2007-2008 Heads of Agreement between government and teachers. The Education Ministry says this latest disbursement means all teachers in Bursa-paid schools have now been fully paid. In addition, the ministry says it will complete payment this week for salary arrears due to a number of teachers currently attached to government-paid institutions, as well as those who have retired or resigned. Government's program to improve public health and safeguard the well-being of Jamaicans has been enhanced with the Health Ministry's introduction of new and improved meat inspection stamps. Manufactured at a cost of $3.5 million, 400 stamps were recently unveiled during a ceremony at the Juicy Patties headquarters in Clarendon. The stamps are uniquely designed to correspond with the registration numbers of each of the ministry's 400 public health inspectors. Those officers will use them in the inspection and stamping of meat products processed from legally slaughtered animals to verify their safety for public consumption.
We have to ensure that meat and meat products prepared for human consumption are safe. This will most certainly improve accountability of the meat inspectors and traceability of meat and meat products.
Production of the new stamps is in line with the country's national food safety policy, specifically the meat hygiene program. They will also assist in government's anti-predial larceny effort. All other stamps currently in use will be recalled and destroyed by the Ministry of Health. Jamaicans are being encouraged to participate in an important survey that's currently being done to determine the prevalence of persons suffering from chronic respiratory problems. The Burden of Obstructive Lung Disease Bold Jamaica project is being done as part of an international project. It involves a partnership by the University of the West Indies, the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, and Imperial College partners in the United Kingdom. Principal investigator for the local study, Dr. Althea Accord-Stewart, says there's nothing to fear from the simple test that is being administered during the study.
It's a random survey where your household may be selected in the sample, and I'm encouraging people who have been selected in the sample, please come out, participate, answer your questionnaires. All your information is confidential.
The study targets persons aged 18 to 39 in 84 geographic areas across the country. Spirometry, a breathing test, is also being administered to persons over 40 years to see whether they have chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. COPD is a preventable disease that involves the obstruction of airflow, usually caused by air pollutants and cigarette smoke. The Ministry of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining is kicking off its Public Sector Energy Champion competition this month. The competition is designed to promote a culture of energy conservation in the public sector.
Participating entities will see the benefits both in reduced electric consumption and in terms of dollar savings. We expect that public sector enterprises will be able to save at a minimum 5% of the electricity consumption just by changing behavior.
Over 70 ministries, agencies and departments, as well as individual public servants within these entities will be participating. Judging covers energy conservation interventions within organizations and energy efficiency awareness for individuals. The competition will wrap up in May 2015. And finally, one of the 164 petals which comprised the cauldron that was lit during the 2012 London Paralympic Games was unveiled during a ceremony at the Norman Manley International Airport on Friday. The petal was presented to Jamaica as a souvenir after the cauldron was dismantled following the Games. Each copper petal symbolized the 164 competing nations. Jamaica is the first of the participating countries to receive its gift, and it will remain on display at the airport.
The petal will stand from this day into the future as a symbol of the Paralympic glory, the grit, the determination, character, mettle, and success of our athletes of whom we are so proud.
The cauldron for the symbolic Olympic flame was used for both the Summer Olympics and Paralympics. For the Summer Games, 204 petals were lit. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamar Mikhail. Thank you for watching.